Hi, my name is Timothy Gocuan of Global Hospitality and Culinary Academy, and this is my internship experience.
It had always been a dream of mine to be able to work in a Michelin Star restaurant. However, in order to do this, I knew I had to prepare myself to handle the pressures of a profession that demands an incredible amount of skill, focus, and work ethic. So because of this, I had chosen Global Academy as the institution to shape myself into the chef I wanted to become. I knew that the road ahead of me was going to be tough, but I also knew that Global Academy had the right tools, expertise, and the industry's best talents to guide me. In school, I learned the most cutting-edge culinary techniques, modern plating concepts, and comprehensive education on world cuisine. There were no shortcuts, and the experience was based on a no-nonsense focus on what a real kitchen would be like. So therefore, when I finished my classroom training, I was confident that I would be able to handle any trials of any kitchen out there. When the opportunity came for me to select my internship venue overseas, I knew I had to select the best one. And so I did, and managed to get into one of California's best exclusive Michelin Star resorts, Auberge du Soleil in Napa Valley. I couldn't believe it. It was a dream come true. Auberge du Soleil was the premier Michelin Star dining experience in Wine County. I never expected to be accepted in such an esteemed place, and I was just shaking in excitement at the possibilities of learning from one of the best kitchens in America and also seeing the majestic beauty of Napa Valley. When I arrived, there were many challenges adapting to the culture of a new country and working with people from all over the world. But because of the discipline and work ethic instilled by Global Academy, I managed to maximize my learning experience because I was no stranger with working with world-class equipment and performing the techniques I learned during my time at school. I was working with different interns and graduates from the Culinary Institute of America, as well as other interns from Switzerland, France, and Europe, but because of Global Academy, I was able to hold my own. There was a high level of performance expected because of the incredible standards set by the world-renowned chef Robert Curry and the expert crew of Auberge du Soleil. However, because of the training I received in the Global Academy, it gave me an edge to be able to compete and thrive in a world-class Michelin Star kitchen. From product knowledge, proper cooking techniques, attention to detail, working clean, integrity, professionalism, and dedication to excellence, Global Hospitality and Culinary Academy truly instilled in me what it means to be a chef filled with grit and passion. So once again, this is Timothy Gocuan, student of Global Academy, and that was my internship experience in Napa Valley's Auberge du Soleil restaurant, a Michelin Star restaurant. So that was my experience, and it could be yours too. So why don't you come and join Global Academy and make your culinary career in full color.
Hey guys, Lika here of Global Academy. I would like to invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more videos, recipes, and updates about our school, simply click on the Global Academy logo.